Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we continue learning how to solve the simultaneous equation. In last video, you have learned about how can you changing x or changing y. After this step, you will have the coefficient of x or coefficient of y in two equations will be equal. So just like this. In this example, you got the coefficient of y is 2 and the coefficient of y is 2 also. So maybe in some example, you got the equation, the coefficient of y in here is 3 and here is 3, but the sign of 3 in the first equation and the sign of 3 in the second equation are a little bit different, plus or minus. Okay, so how can you solve that? After you have the coefficient of x or coefficient of y in these two equations is equal or equal. So after this, you will take subtract or add this hoặc là you will take subtract or add two equations. What does that mean? It means you will take subtract of left hand side equation. This is left hand side. Or you will take subtract of right hand side of this equation. Example, I want to take subtract of left hand side like this. I will write down minus in this position and I take a line here and I will take the subtract of each column. The first one is a column of x, 3x minus 4x, you got negative x. 2y minus 2y, you got 0y, and 7 minus 8, you got negative 1. So after this one, you can see that you have no y anymore. Negative 8 become to negative 1. So it means you get h eliminated. You can eliminate y, you can eliminate y. So the equation left, you got only negative h equal to negative 1. It means h equal to 1. So after this step, you have the specific value of h equal to negative 1. Okay, so how about the second example? You got 5x plus 6y equal to 16. And the second is 5x plus y equal to 11. So you can see here the coefficient of x are same in these two equations. So I will eliminate it. Minus in this position and I take a line like this. So 5x subtract 5x, you got 0x. 6y minus y, you got 5y. And 16 minus 11, you got 5. So after this step, you can see how x gets eliminated. In this equation left, you have only 5y equal to 5, no x anymore. So very easy for finding y in here, y equal to 1. After this step, you have specific value of y. Yeah, that is the step 1. The step 1 is changing x or y. Step 2 is eliminate x or y by this step. Okay, you take the subtract the two equation, left hand side subtract, right hand side subtract, and then you have specific value of x or y. But sometimes you got a little bit harder problem, maybe like this. In this equation, the coefficient of y are 3, but in the first equation you got negative 3 and the second equation you got plus 3. It is a little bit different, so we cannot using subtraction in this system of equation. You should using plus. Why is that? Because when you take plus of right hand side and plus of left hand side, you can eliminate y. Look at this. Negative 3x, negative 3y plus 3y is mean 0y. Negative 3 plus 3 equal to 0. That's very easy operation. So 6x plus 5x, you got 11x. And another side, you got 15 plus 18, you got 33. So after this step, because y multiply 0, we have no y anymore. And the equation left is 11 multiplied 3 equal to 33. So very easy for figure out x equal to 3. That's all. The main point of this operation is maybe you have to change operation of the two equations. Sometimes you're using minus sign here, minus or subtraction. Sometimes you have to using addition. You're using addition if you have a two opposite number of coefficient of x or coefficient of y. In this equation, in this example, you got negative 3 and plus 3 are opposite side. So I will using plus. If you got the same number, same sign, 5 here and 5 here, you can using subtraction. Exactly the same number and the same sign. Okay, that is the main point. So example 3, you can see here the coefficient of x is 3 and negative 3. They are opposite. So that's why I will using addition of the two equations. Draw a line like this. 3x plus negative 3, you got 0x. 7y plus 4y, you got 11y. Another side, 10 plus 1, you got 11. So after this step, you can get h eliminated. Eliminated. So for this equation, very easy for figure out. Y will be equal to 1. And then you have specific number for x or for y. Yeah. We call this step is eliminating step. So after this video, you have some exercise for practicing about eliminate step. And then you will move to another video. In the next video, I will tell you how can you solve full simultaneous equation. Thank you so much. Finish your exercise about eliminating step and then move to another video. See you next time. Bye bye.